Hello friends, my name is Nishant Sagar and I am the Executive Director of Dynake Automotive Stampings Private Limited based out of Bhusri, Pune. We are a 32-year-old company engaged in the manufacture of precise and critical sheet metal stamped parts for the automotive applications. It has been a wonderful journey and we are now almost towards the closure of this program. We could gather about 5 lakh rupees from the first drive of 1S, 2S that we could do in terms of material disposition. Going forward, we could also work on the core key lean tools in terms of implementing a cell manufacturing, reducing the overall wastages in the material handling, the overall raw material inventory, the internal production planning controls, throughput time studies, and also major focus was given on the SMED and the time reduction for our tool setup changes. We could reduce our tool setup change by almost 50% for
We received customer complaints due to wrong or reverse holding of job during machining. To avoid this, we designed new fixture like this one. This red bulb will glow when part is held wrongly.
He is putting the part right way. There is no glow. Now he is removing the part again. Now he is putting the part wrong way. See, the light or the red bulb is glowing.
Myself, Mohammad Shakil Mane, CEO of Zulfikar Engineering. We are the basically manufacturer of precision machine turn components since 1992. Before starting lean journey, we were adopting traditional methods for assessment of our production. No data collection system were in place. We learned many new concepts like 5S, Kaizen, Pokayoke, throughput time reduction, setup time reduction, and micro production planning. We saved rupees 65,000 annually in inventory management. Kaizen Pokayoke implementation saves rupees 79,000 annually. Setup time reduction also saved rupees 23,000 and throughput time reduction saved rupees 39,000 annually. After 1.5 year journey of lean, everything has been changed considerably. Mindset of Zulfikar Engineering employee has been changed, and so the working culture within the factory. I take this opportunity to thank Government of India, MSME, NPC and MCCI Pune. Also, I thank Dr. Roy and his team for the valuable guidance. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Anand Kelkar, Director of Kelkar Auto Parts Private Limited. We manufacture base frames, canopies and allied sheet metal fabricated parts for diesel generator industry. We started our lean activity in February 2017. Approximately 3 lakh rupees of material has been disposed. Data collection also started in this phase. With 2S, we arranged the shop floor and gave place to everything and everything in place. Also, the ergonomic design of workstation improved our productivity. In inventory management, we came across material ROIC norms, which reduced our inventory from rupees 12 crore annually to rupees 6 crore.
Myself, Vrunda Jinde, CEO of Bhor Engineering Private Limited. Bhor Engineering Private Limited is started in year 1988 and is located in Shivne, Pune. We are manufacturing various fabricated parts like brackets, pipe assemblies, base rails, fan guards. In month of February 2017, we started our lean journey with joyful workplaces. During our initial submission, we realized that we are very poor in data collection and monitoring. We monitor only 2 types of data, customer PPM and our delivery performance. We disposed around 21 tons of material, which includes various non-moving, finished, semi-finished parts, fixtures and machines. Around 4 lakh rupees we recovered with this project. We developed 10 plus shining examples. Gangway marking is also done and it helps in improvement of our visual management. More than 15 Kaizens and 5 Pokayokes are done with involvement of our operators, supervisors. It's completely turnaround achievement for us.